that's, first of all, just open any browser you want. In my case, I'm just going to open Google Chrome, as it is my favorite browser. Then just open epicgames.com and make sure to log in real quick with your account, with your account. And then first of all, we can click on account in the top right corner, and then when you're in the account section, you can head over to the transaction field here. And then in my case, there hasn't been any charges, so there won't be anything to refund. But in your case, if there is something eligible for a refund, it should show up here. We can also read quickly through the policy here. First of all, we need to, you may request a refund within 14 days if you have not played the game for more than 2 hours. These are the requirements, so make sure that you fit into these requirements. And if you have got any further question to the Epic Games team or about refunds, click on Help, and then scroll down to the How can we help you, and then click on Epic Games Store, and then just click on Contact Us, and then just fill out this support request and describe your problem real quick here. So just write whatever you want to ask them. They are usually really quick. In my case, they replied within 2 business days, I think. Or you can also use the live chat. That's also very, that's a new feature that you can try to solve your issue or to refund games. Yeah, that's it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions left, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.